Hello, welcome to the Eagle 6 Airsoft testing video. We're going to be testing this MWS gas blowback. This one has got the Laylax Strike ARm for a little bit more lift on heavier ammos, Nineball hot rubber, and the Laylax tight bore barrel 373. So this one has so we finished obviously the install of it, and we really range tested at 65 meters. So this is just a function test, just to make sure that everything's all back together and tight, and nothing will fall off or anything like that. So. It's 373 on 0.2s, and that's on the vorsk V6 gas, which is this one here. We've been testing this one, it's quite good, a good product. No pen when you need it, isn't there? Six. Very much we get any more on bottom filler. I think this is the last MWS, but I think we've still got plenty of the Mark 18s in stock, in case anyone else is wanting one of these. There we go, all tested and working. So any problems, let us know. But hopefully have fun and enjoy it. So thank you.